Welcome back to Wisgram, where you can get practical wisdom for money, investing, success, and more. What do you eat for breakfast every day while your stomach is empty? Starting your day with the right foods can have a big impact on your energy levels, digestion, and overall health, but it's not always easy to know what's best to eat. So in today's video, I want to share 5 good foods to eat and 5 bad foods not to eat first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Let's start with 5 good foods. Number 1. Bananas. Bananas are a great food for the morning because they're high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full for a more extended period, while the vitamins and minerals boost your energy to start your day. Plus, they are easy to digest, making them an excellent option for those who may experience digestive discomfort in the morning. Number 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate that takes a while to digest, keeping you feeling full for longer. It's also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are good for your health. Oatmeal is a great choice for a morning meal on an empty stomach because it's filling, nutritious, and easy to digest. Some good ways to eat oatmeal are overnight oats, baked oatmeal, oatmeal smoothies, oatmeal pancakes or waffles, and oatmeal bars. When preparing oatmeal, consider using old-fashioned or steel-cut oats instead of instant oats, as they are less processed and retain more natural nutrients. Number 3. Yogurt. Yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, making it a good choice for a morning meal. The protein will help keep you full, while the probiotics will support your digestive health. In addition, yogurt is a good source of calcium, which is important for building and maintaining strong bones. Some good suggestions are Greek yogurt or plain yogurt. Greek yogurt is a high-protein yogurt that can keep you feeling full throughout the morning. It's also low in sugar and high in calcium. Plain yogurt is a great option if you're looking to avoid added sugars. You can add your own fruit or honey to sweeten it naturally. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, and they're easy to digest. Eating eggs on an empty stomach can help keep you full and give you the energy to start your day. They are also a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B, vitamin D, and choline. Some good suggestions for eating eggs are hard-boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, fried eggs, and omelets. It is important to remember to always cook eggs thoroughly to reduce the risk of foodborne illness. Number 5. Apple. An apple is high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent choice for a morning meal. The fiber in apples helps regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full, while the vitamins and minerals boost energy. Apples are also a good source of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. It is important to always wash your apples thoroughly before eating to remove any dirt or bacteria on the skin. Now, let's go with 5 bad foods. Number 1. Coffee. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach can cause heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion. The acid in coffee can also irritate your stomach and make it harder to digest other foods. It's best to wait a little while after waking up before drinking coffee. This will allow your body to start producing digestive juices and get ready to digest food. Number 2. Fried foods. Fried foods are high in fat and take a long time to digest. Eating fried foods on an empty stomach first thing in the morning can lead to indigestion, bloating, and stomach discomfort. The high-fat content can also slow the digestion of other foods, leading to a feeling of sluggishness. Number 3. Sugary foods. Sugary foods like candy and pastries are high in sugar and low in fiber. Eating them in the morning on an empty stomach can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, leading to a crash later on. This can result in fatigue and a decreased ability to focus throughout the day. Number 4. Processed foods. Processed foods are often high in salt, sugar, and preservatives. They are typically low in fiber and nutrients, leading to various health problems. Eating processed foods on an empty stomach first thing in the morning can be especially problematic as they can cause digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, and even constipation. So it's best to avoid processed foods and opt for whole, nutrient-dense options instead to best start your day. Number 5. Sweetened breakfast cereals. Sweetened breakfast cereals are often high in sugar and low in fiber. They can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, leading to a crash later in the day and decreased energy levels. This can also result in feelings of hunger, leading to overeating and weight gain. In addition, sweetened breakfast cereals are often low in protein and healthy fats, making them a less than ideal option for breakfast. Opt for whole grain cereals with nuts and fruits to ensure a balanced breakfast. Starting your day with a nutritious meal is important for your overall health and well-being. By making smart food choices in the morning, you'll set yourself up for success and be better equipped to handle the challenges of the day ahead. Good choices for a morning meal on an empty stomach include bananas, oatmeal, yogurt, eggs, and apples. On the other hand, coffee, fried foods, sugary foods, processed foods, and sweetened breakfast cereals should be avoided in the morning. Remember, it's all about balance, and making healthy choices most of the time will pay off in the long run. Well, what do you think about these 5 good foods to eat and 5 bad foods not to eat first thing in the morning on an empty stomach? Is there anything else you'd like to add? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family so they can enjoy our other videos. Well, that's it for today, and thanks for watching.